Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to enable RAM expansion on your Realme GT8 Pro. First, we're gonna have to open the settings application on the smartphone and scroll down to About Device menu. Open it, then select RAM. Here, switch the toggle to the right next to RAM expansion feature and then manually select the amount of virtual RAM memory you want to add to your RAM. And after that, to apply changes, we're gonna have to exit this menu and tap Restart Now so that the phone restarts and the changes will be applied immediately. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.